everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Expo World, and I am Dr. Anshul. I have brought very important tutorial for you all, and it's about confused words in English. And the words which I have chosen today are people, persons, or peoples. Definitely these words are confused words in English which can create a lot of confusion in your mind. And in this tutorial today, I am going to explain the difference and the correct use for these words people, persons, and peoples in English. You can have a lot of questions in your mind, like if the word persons is a plural for the word person, then what does the word people stand for? Is it plural or singular? And peoples, is it plural for the word people? Should we use all three words in English? When and how? All your questions will be answered in this tutorial today, but watch it from the beginning till the end. You can have a doubt in your mind, like people. If it is plural form for the word person, then what does the word persons stand for? If I use the word person, person, in a sentence, like there is one person standing in a line at the bank, and if I want to change person into plural, what would be the sentence? There are many people or many persons standing in a line at the bank. I mean to say, plural for the word person will be people or persons. And the answer would be there are many people standing in a line at the bank. Why? You will come to know after watching this tutorial till the end. So let's proceed. First of all, I'll explain about the word people. It refers to mass noun, undetermined number of people. Number of people which is uncountable. For example, many people were protesting against a prime minister. Here, number of people is uncountable. Nobody knows how many people were there who were protesting against the prime minister. So people refers to undetermined number of people. People emphasizes the group as collective, and persons emphasizes individuality. If I ask you the difference between people and persons, the fast and loose answer will be the people is correct and persons is wrong. Right? So there was a time in history when it was put forward that grammatically persons should be the preferred plural for the word person. But nowadays people is considered as the plural for the word person. And persons is used in legal and official contexts, including law enforcement or public notices, etc. And it is used to refer to smaller group of people where number of people is countable. It is more specific than people, like business persons, authorized persons, persons with disabilities. You can see the use of persons in public notices, like only authorized persons may use this machine. And you can also observe a signboard near any elevator stating that it has capacity for 8 persons. So you can see the use of persons in legal and official contexts. Alright? Peoples. If you think that peoples is a plural for the word people, you are highly mistaken. I'll tell you about peoples. What does it mean? Peoples is only used in cases when it is necessary to distinguish between ethnic group within the same geographical or cultural contexts. Use peoples when you are talking about more than one group of people. For example, this scale was used by American Indian peoples. So use peoples when you are talking about more than one group of people. So this was all about people, persons, and peoples. I hope all your doubts are clear now. you don't have any question in your mind regarding these words. And if you have liked this tutorial, then please press like and don't forget to subscribe by pressing the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next tutorial. And if you want to read blog posts related to this channel, then you can press the link like exploremoreandlearn.com. Very soon I'll bring another tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.